When you buy a rice cooker, you get the rice cooker itself and the inside bowl. Things are very straightforward. You wouldn't find unnecessary things that come with it. No dolls, no games, no heavy stuff. Things are very simple. Just these two things, so don't get scared. Let me show you how to cook rice. 2 cups of rice. First, you wash it. Please wash it well so the rice wouldn't turn out gooey. Hopefully you can see the water becoming more and more clear. This much is good. You just cook the rice with water, that's all. Please be precise with the measure. Next, let's do something different. Let's cook the rice with the green peas and salt. This is very tasty, by the way. Now let's try putting more things in. This one's very good too. If I put fried tofu in here, it'll be tastier. After the rice is cooked, you do want to mix the rice. In the rice cooker, you want to keep the rice nice and fluffy. Super yummy. This time it's a bit different. It's not takikomi gohan, it's maze gohan. Gohan means rice or meal. So rice equals meal in Japan. I bought only 2 slices of salmon, and this is not enough for a family of 4. But if you do maze gohan, this will be more than enough. I'll be mixing this with the rice. Shiso are slightly minty leaves. If you don't have them, you can just skip them. sesame seeds are pre-toasted. Oh, I found one. Last but not least, this is one of the biggest reasons why people buy rice cookers. ご飯炊いてるのさ、炊飯器してるでしょ。炊飯器でご飯炊いてるでしょ。炊飯器がなかったとしたら、京子ちゃんの人生は何%ぐらい最悪になる？炊飯器がもしお家になかったら、彼女の人生は何%ぐらい台無しになる？炊飯器がない人生。60、70%が。
なんか違うので
できるよ。一応ご飯炊くことはできるよ。だから全くご飯食べれなくなるわけじゃない。コンビニで弁当も買えるし別に。
でもあっちの方がちょっと簡単だよね。
そうだね。
30？
よくわからないけど80%。
消えなくて結局戻っちゃう。
Because it saves time. No, it's one of those things you don't need many, you just need one. Okay. Don't work hard to make good ramen. Don't work hard to make good ramen.